Snuggles, and I'm a cat. I have a problem. I'm addicted to cats. It's taking over my life, and I need help.
This is Snuggles in her worst time. We're hoping that she will get better with time.
I feel really bad about my addiction because I steal my friend's food. I just like throw it away and I just eat it. I think I'm right on the bowl. And then I'm so fat. And my owners, my parents, they spend so much money on my food. But I just have to have it, you know? So,
No, Snuggles!
Hi, my name is Whiskers, and you know, this is really hard for me to talk about, but I have a sleeping addiction, and you know, it really gets to me sometimes, like when I'm trying to go hang out with friends, you know, do the catnip, you know, I don't even, it's just so hard. Like, wherever I want to go, let's say even go take a nice poop in the neighbor's yard, you know, I just fall asleep on my way there.
As you can see, Whiskers definitely has a major problem with sleeping too much.
I don't know what's wrong with me, it just happens, like, I can't.
Snuggles has been trying for days to stay on her diet. Let's see how she's doing.
No, Snuggles, that's not on your diet!
Like, everyone's spending so much on it. This is so hard. I want it. Although, and I get fat. Want some? No. No, you're it.
Obviously, not very well.
Notice.
I don't want to play with toys anymore.
Hey. Hi, okay. Hi, I'm
Hi.
Hi, I'm Snuggles. Okay. I can't even do it.
You can't freaking laugh. Okay, let me go first. Let me go first.
No, let me do it. I got this. We're so lame. We don't have any friends.
So we have to dress up as cats.
To entertain ourselves. That's how we entertain ourselves.
It's so true.